In this video, we will be replacing the license plate lights in this 2008 Hyundai Elantra. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, our license plate lights are located towards the top of where the license plate would go. And as we can see, there is one that is burnt out. Through the driver's side door, we can locate our trunk release button, and this will give us a little better access to those light bulb locations. We can see that there are 2 Phillips head screws holding on each of these cover plates, and we can remove those screws. And we then want to very carefully work off the lens. And if we take a look underneath the lens, we can see that we have our bulb, which almost looks like a fuse. And we can see that there are 2 tabs, one on either side of the bulb. We can pry these tabs outward and that bulb should come out. And if we take a look at those bulbs, they do look like they have seen better days. And if we compare those to our new bulbs, we can definitely see a difference in the clarity of the glass. Now, it is always recommended to not touch the glass with your fingers, as the oils from your hand can shorten the life of the bulb. So as I install this with gloves, we will just slip it back into place. And with those new bulbs installed, we can reinstall our lens and screws. And we can then test them out. They are both looking good, so this repair is complete.